Waku chansia ni nana kansio. Juda busia komu jata. Sayi kunim di franka. Sasa mabebu te srabati. Wakufu Joshua na kuchem. Hey! Adinina fapim. Nene faribai otoman kube. Yansa Boakye oniwa die nyinara. Ansa na wi adi baba die. Abankasi abadi mrunkum. Ni oja fadum jene matata. Okromotia won country mapo yeye. Wakru sana band na bawa wo sire. Tete botai. Ya chenu ayam pada biara dano. Bachelor boy won nim awiye na won ni asase no. Sanya me no na no pay me no be no one him. What of for me ma wo atima akaba ever food for thought. That was Sumpa 93.1 FM. So the opinion also at television. Sumpa 93. Sumpa TV. We are live on Facebook. Join me live on Facebook. That is Sumpa 93.1. Mr. Wano Peya. Meme no kasana no mafami phone. Meme share. Sansa onyame won sambi ma yene na no peya. Mem pese obibia. Enso be dey ebe catch the ewo ho. You are part of it. So just join me live this morning on Food for Thought. Now share link, you know. You just can copy the link and share. Well, you want to get to my status right away. It is there. And now say we call Food for Thought live. And also so much share. You can also be part of it and watch. Nyamishao, so do a video no idea. Ato hasisia. Na minim say free samrea. Ekopem no numa pemu no. Me no one sembiche. Andra, I spoke to you about marital what? Trauma. And this morning, the topic is emotional blackmail. Oh my God. This morning I said it's what? Emotional blackmail. Hey, no mind, emotional blackmail so any day. Don't worry. You will understand it very soon. Now me know beche niama ba ku me nu me ensa. Na wa obehunu say, hey, relationship now woman. Is this something? I'm saying I like the way you have put the black background on emotional blackmail and the white. It is speaking a lot. Because Nipa no about to say they Ogwama nanso so oye wolf gradi chidi say. Pataku. So you see the white and black on the screen. Oh, I'm saying. Today you have breakfast from me. Oh, I love that. Emotional blackmail. What is it? Emotional blackmail. Any idea? Now we can fall, sir. You were a Jumakobi summer city. Omannhene Food for Thought about Tony Sack Enterprise, the home of quality property, electronics, and other products. So Anna, Funko Enterprise, so Omannhene Food for Thought about a home plumbing materials, bathroom sets, Ahudwa, Ubenya, and kids and teens world, delivering big dreams in small packages. Babies from day 1 to 16, teenagers, Tinedina kids and teens. Edina, I don't know. You call it Biatadia Upebi. I'll be telling you more about them. But for now, for our trust there, Proverbs chapter 14, verse number 31. Proverbs 14:31. Na ye share de bi e wo honomo na ye kan sem ni nyina because I will say exactly 5:45 we will take off with Adiache Bia and yours truly Omannhene Yaw will be seated, and this morning we can promise you a banger. Stay with us and you will never regret you did. Medasi so do a video ato hanomo. Join us live also on YouTube